Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm outside the fourth of the 5 accommodation reviews that I'm going to do while I'm here in Benidorm for a few days. This one behind me is, well, it shows on the internet as a 3.5 star. But when you get to the hotel, I was a bit curious how they're going to show half a star, but they haven't. They've only left it as a 3 star. It's part of the Servi group. It's the Hotel Calypso here in Benidorm. So let's get checked in. Check-in was dead easy. All you have to do is sign your life away. I've got my room key. I'm in room 210 on the 2nd floor. You have to use your key to activate the lifts.
Lift going up. Second level. 2nd floor.
So I'm in room 210 on the 2nd floor. And just looking at the room, it's a bit of a triangle shape. The hotel is a triangle if you look at it from the front, and I think I'm right in the corner. This is classed as a twin room for single use. Let's have a look around. First impression is it's very bright, very clean looking. These Servi group hotels seem to have colour schemes going on. The other one was a bit psychedelic with the curtains. It was a bit wild. These ones are a little bit more subtle. We do have that squarely pattern on the back. I like that. It's quite bright. So start off with your desk and a mirror, PowerPoint, and I gather this is the fridge. There is a safe again, the same safe. Everything's sort of very similar to the Nereo hotel. There's your fridge and the same safe. A chair. There's your 2 single beds. Again, we do have power points either side, but no USBs. I can't understand why they haven't swapped one of these sockets to USBs. It's dead simple. It's only a socket plate with the USBs on it, so that would bring the room a bit more up to date if they had a couple of USBs. A lot of people don't like bringing round adapters with them. It's dead easy to just plug a USB in. Built-in wardrobes. Storage space on top. Hanging space. Extra pillows, hangers, and drawer space. Your case stand, and probably the same size telly. Is that 39-inch, something like that? Flat screen TV. Let's check out the ensuite. It looks like we've got a bit of a theme going on. This is virtually the same as the Nereo hotel that I've just reviewed. Same colour scheme exactly. Your hairdryer. Quite a large mirror. Same hand soap. Everything is identical. The sink is virtually the same. Your toilet, your bidet, your pink tiles. The pink walk-in shower, everything is identical. So it looks like the Servi group furnishes their hotels virtually the same, or at least the bedrooms and en-suites are furnished identical. Everything looks nice and clean. Now, as I've said, I guess by the shape of the bathroom and bedroom we are on a corner. I know the booking states room with terrace, not room with pool view. Let's have a look. Yeah, straight away I can see we're overlooking the doorway. So we are right on that corner. And it is a triangle shape. Balcony as well. Table and chairs, and the little dryer there. But we are right on the corner. There's the doorway there, you can see. Right opposite the Flash. So we're looking out at Morgan's Tavern. And just round the corner is the Ambassador. It's exactly the same. The same embroidered pillowcases with the pillow protector on. And it's going to be the same here, isn't it? Yeah, everything's identical. So there you go. So the hotel I was in yesterday was a 4-star, and this one is a 3, because I said it doesn't have the other half a star on. So let's check out the rest of the hotel. just walking down the Cala Girona and I've just bumped into a couple of viewers. I've got Johnny Vlogger UK and Danny. They just said they want to say hello. Go on, shout hello. You're on camera.
Hello, Paul.
So where are you both from? Are you both from
Brighton.
Both from Brighton. When did you arrive in Benidorm?
Last Saturday.
And how long are you here for?
Till Saturday.
A week.
Till Saturday. So you're here for a week. You're enjoying it?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah.
Right. It is a nice place, isn't it?
Yeah.
What hotel are you in? I'm not stalking you, but what hotel?
Port Benidorm.
You
did
did
a
you
video
do
on
that?
that as well?
Did you do that from the video, or you already had it booked?
You booked before, didn't you?
Yeah.
Isn't it a nice
It's
hotel?
a lovely, nice
I've
hotel.
told so
Brilliant
many.
hotel.
I have told so many people this hotel is
Friendly
brilliant.
staff.
Anyhow, I'm moving on. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll catch you later.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Good morning from a very sunny Benidorm, as you can see behind me. The sun is out. It's nice and bright, nice and warm. Right, my verdict on this 3-stroke, 3.5-star Servi Group Hotel Calypso. Still can't get over that half a star, and they haven't got it on the front, so I'm going to class it as a 3-star. Now, compared to its sister hotel, the 4-star Nereo that I stayed in yesterday, it's like chalk and cheese. There's no comparison. I don't know what was wrong with the Nereo. I didn't feel right at the hotel. It's just something that I didn't agree with, and I couldn't put my finger on it. It's just my choice, by the way. So, but you know when you know that you've been to a hotel and you know for certain that you've done it and you're not going to come back. That was for me in the Nereo. Now, in the Calypso, total different contrast, total different atmosphere. The staff are really nice. Even the bar staff yesterday were doing the cha-cha, serving people, just dancing all around the place, singing along to the songs, even though they were singing them in the wrong words, but they were singing along. It just seems to be a different atmosphere. Now, the only thing I will say is that I'm in a room on the front, and you do hear quite a bit of noise during the night of people coming back from the clubs. So if you do want to stay here, ask for a room closer to the back of the hotel, unless you don't mind the noise. But you are right next to the Flash Hotel, and you've got the work going on at the Rossaman next door. They're doing some repair work on the hotel. It's closed, but they're doing work on it. So you do have quite a bit of noise around the area. So if it's for you, you are basically on the main strip as well. So you are going to get a lot of noise at night time. The room itself, the bed, a really good night's sleep, even though I was woke up a couple of times with the noise because I have the window open all night long. So I like to have the fresh air coming in. So I was woken up a couple of times, but that's my own fault for having the window open. Plenty of hot water, the TV. I did have a quick look. I don't stay in the room long enough to be watching television, but I did notice that it had BBC, ITV, a BBC Two, and that's as far as I got. So there are English channels. Now, mobility. They do have a ramp at the front, a ramp for you to walk into the hotel if you can't do the steps. And they do allow you to park a mobility scooter at the front of the hotel on the road. So you're leaving it outside the hotel. Now, this is the thing I can't understand with the Servi Group. This is the second hotel at the Nereo as well. You're not allowed to take your mobility scooter into the hotel anywhere access on the hotel. You can leave it on the road. Biggest issue I've got with this is if you hire a mobility scooter, then you expect to want to charge it. There's no charging facilities at either the Nereo or the Calypso. So you can bring your mobility scooter and leave it outside, but there's no charging points. Now, the receptionist did tell me that you can charge over the road by the ambassador. I don't know what they mean by that, but apparently when you hire the mobility scooter, they will give you certain charging points that throughout Benidorm that you can go to and charge your scooter. But there's a lot of hotels that allow you to charge at the hotel. I know the ambassador definitely has charging points outside. I know the Montpark has charging points outside. But this hotel doesn't. You have to find a charging point for your mobility scooter. Food wise, again, I'm referring to the Nereo. There was just something different about the evening meal. I couldn't work it out. The meal here, same sort of breakfast layout as the Nereo. They did have back bacon and the English sausage again, which was nice. But the difference was the evening meal at this hotel. The evening meal at this hotel last night, the variety, the selection, chocolate eclairs. I've never seen that in a Spanish hotel. But the actual layout of the food, there was a bigger choice at this hotel. Now, the price was very similar to the other hotel. For one night stay, half board, a bed, breakfast and evening meal for single occupancy again, cost me £74.25. Now, this is the difference. For two people staying half board, don't forget we are at the end of February now, we're just going into March. For two people staying half board was £96. So what's that? £48 each, half board for one night. I think that's a good price, £48 each. My preference, would I stay at this hotel? Yes. So there you go. From what you can see in the video and what I've showed you around the hotel, what do you think? What do you think of the food? Have you stayed in the Calypso? I've seen this hotel since 1979. I've walked past it so many times. They used to have, years ago, where they've got the terrace outside now where you can sit and listen to the groups, they used to have a waterfall there at one time. If anyone remembers that waterfall right outside the Calypso, that's gone and they put a bar in. So this hotel's been here as far back as I can remember. And I've always wanted to stay in it, and I've done it now. So tell me, put down in the comments, would you like to stay at this hotel? Have you stayed at this hotel? What do you think of the facilities? Oh, before I go, Wi-Fi. This is the third hotel on the run in Benidorm. There seems to be a major issue across all the Wi-Fis in Benidorm. The 5-star that I did a few days ago, there was no Wi-Fi at all. The one I did yesterday, intermittent Wi-Fi, I eventually got on it in the afternoon. And again with this one last night, I eventually got on it in the afternoon. So they've got major problems with Wi-Fi at the moment. Give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. I'm moving on to another hotel now. It's the last one in the Survey group, and this one is a 3-star. But if you want to see what that hotel is, you'll have to watch out for the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.